Hi, we are Team Imagination, and this is our presentation on the NASA Artemis App Development Challenge.
So about the Artemis mission, NASA's Artemis mission will send the first woman-dominated team and the first person of color to the moon. This mission will allow them to explore more of the lunar surface than ever before. Artemis 3 will be the second crewed Artemis mission and the first lunar landing since the Apollo 17 in 1972, with a launch date of 2025. The Artemis project mainly focuses on getting data on the ice on the moon and to see which parts of the moon are best for bases.
Why Artemis? Artemis is the goddess of the moon, and she's the twin of Apollo, and the last trip to the moon was called Apollo. Apollo's mission brought men to the moon, while Artemis's mission will bring the first woman and person of color to the moon. This is a big step for our world because this is very rare and it is long due. This is also a big step for equality in general because up until the 1960s, women didn't work in NASA. So this is a woman-dominating mission, which is an even bigger step for equality and feminism.
We're ninth graders from Austin, Texas. Our team's name is Imagination. We chose this name in memory of Kalpana Chawla, who was an Indian astronaut who passed when coming back into the atmosphere on a mission. The space shuttle Columbia was destroyed upon re-entry into Earth's atmosphere because the damage enabled hot atmospheric gases to penetrate the heat shield, which destroyed the internal wing structure. Events like this are quite rare, so it was a shock to everyone, especially since NASA makes sure to check over everything before a mission. Kalpana also means imagination, so we thought this team name was the perfect fit.
What are we doing to help? To help, we're going to create an app that can map out the South Pole of the moon. Reasons for this is that the South Pole of the moon is proven to be an excellent location for exploratory missions. It contains minerals and ice that we need if we want to put a base on the moon. In addition, we are going to find the best landing site for a rover to be able to get on the moon and show scientists where to go when humans do get to the moon. Because scientists want to get data on the ice of the moon, we're going to code a map of the moon and map out a path for the rover to go and show us the easiest way there is to get to the destination site.
Some of our app development challenges are we need to model and visualize data that is being sent from NASA that includes height, slope, azimuth angle, and elevation angles. Another challenge is we need to find a lunar site where you can land and explore, and we also need to find areas of interest along the path, which takes us to wayfinding. We need to graph a complete path from the landing site to the destination site that does not exceed 15 degrees of slope. This takes us to the final development challenge, where we need to find 10 locations along this path where we can place communication link checkpoints, and these checkpoints must be at a location where the elevation angle to Earth is greater than the elevation angle to the horizon at the same azimuth angle.
How this will help us. This is important because we are trying to help NASA plot ways to travel around the moon. We'll be able to work on our problem-solving skills and come up with new ideas and innovative solutions to attempt to crack this problem. In particular, this will help advance our Python skills as well as our visualization skills.